You are so beautiful. Will you do romance with me?
Wow. You're something else, Paca.
I prefer romance, but I'm flexible. Sir, don't interrupt my love story. Paca. Paca.
Paca, you need to behave while you're in here, okay?
Behave emotionally. Hey, then I want to get some talking about something. You noticed me first, don't lie. Cry. Let me see that. Her cry? Paca. For what? I'm innocent.
Hi, Paca. Can you open the door for me? Open emotionally first.
New style. Great choice. You slammed that door like you own it.
A little dramatic, officer.
Excuse me?
Brave is attractive.
How old are you, Officer Miller?
It's classified, Paca.
Expired but elegant. It's a compliment.
Who ate chocolate?
Paca, footage puts you right at the scene. So unless you've got something better than a snack alibi, I'm calling it obstruction.
Smells like lies.
Easy there, Paca.
That is a scare!
It's just a little shot, promise. Won't take a second. You're fine. She's good at this.
And he's stable, heart rate is normal, and he's well hydrated. Just a little shaken up, that's all.
I have a whistle.
That doesn't mean he's in danger, it just means he needs rest in a calm environment.
I have a
Parrots
whistle.
can show stress in dramatic ways, but he's going
Good
be
to
all
know.
right.
We'll keep him in here until the handler arrives.
I will not survive. Look at that pointy thing. It's longer than my beak. I will not survive. My feathers are shaking apart. My soul is leaving the cage. I am a gunner.
It's just a booster, Paca. You'll be fine.
Hey, easy there, Paca. You're safe. Nobody's gonna hurt you here, okay? Just breathe. You're in good hands. Oh,
They're here.
yeah. I'm not going anywhere.
Okay.
Hold still.
Ah! Hold my dignity. Ah!
All right, officer. Last time I saw the guy, he was wearing a blue hoodie, smelled like sunflower seeds, and he whistled this tune. Like, wee, wee, wee. I can do it again if you need.
That's plenty, Paca. Got the hoodie, smell, and the whistle. Anything else?
Yeah, he called me buddy and tried to poke my cage. Bad idea.
tired of life. Melody, how can I help you today?
Sir, have a seat.
I read gracious.
Mm-hmm.
You gym once, then quit?
That's cold, little guy.
He has you pegged.
Yeah, guilty.
Squawk!
You know, you humans never read me my rights. So I plead the squawk. Ah!
Oh, Paca.
Comedy is my duty. It was emotional support chocolate. No regrets.
Paca, you're in a police station. Try to behave, all right?
Behave, come on.
I behave when loved.
You making friends today, huh?
Friends? Paca's got dozens. You want in the club?
Maybe I do.
Fee's a sunflower seed. Non-negotiable.
I'll see what I can do.
Was that a smile?
I will remember this moment.
Love hurts more than needles.
Case file thicker than a phone book. Whole room smelled like French fries. Somebody tripped the alarm with a mop bucket. Classic.
You saw all that in 10 minutes?
I see everything. Messy. But entertaining.
You're impossible, Paca.
What? Who ate my chocolate?
Not me, Paca. Maybe check the evidence fridge.
Paca!
Go ahead, Paca. Tell him.
Paca sees everything. Paca saw you hide in the top drawer.
What?
Captain says no sweets before roll call. Paca reports. Don't you not? You the police.
I'll be sure to, Paca.
Detective! Crook with the red hat stole the pretzels. I saw it. Big as a billboard. Squawk.
Paca, we've talked about interrupting interviews.
Not interrupting. Reporting. Witness. I'm reliable. Just ask the bag of pretzels. Oh wait, gone.
Oh, for heaven's sake.
Justice never sleeps. Except now. Ah, hello. Subscribe. You know the guy with the red backpack? He dropped the phone.
Red back.
Behind the vending machines, left side.
That's good work, Paca.
He smelled like French fries.
We'll add that to the file. Take a rest, partner.